our local MLA, Luizenbach, and also our High Command. And accordingly, all of us told Pratima that you have to contest this election for the people. Because people are demanding. So it is the other way around. Normally when election comes, we have seen many candidates come forward to contest. And here we have a candidate who says, I don't want to contest. And people are demanding that she should contest. So I said, this opportunity very few candidates gets. And accordingly, Dinesh Gundurao spoke to her, I spoke to her, and then our local MLA also told her that you go around, meet the people, take the feedback, and you take a decision. And accordingly, after the party requested her, she has accepted, and yesterday we have announced her. Tomorrow at 10:30, she is filing her nomination along with the various leaders. Our local MLA, Luizenbach Falero, our CLP leader, Digambar Bab Kamath, our South Goa MP is on a parliamentary tour. He will see if it is possible, he will try to make it. The constitutional authority, the State Election Commission is the constitutional authority. Now who is the State Election Commissioner today? He is the government servant. So State Election Commission, the government is using like any other department. The constitutional provision is that they are talking about independence of State Election Commission. State Election Commission is supposed to look at its mandate, respect its mandate, respect the constitution, respect the law. They may not have powers to do the delimitation, but they have the powers to refuse to accept the illegalities in the reservation, which the State Commission has failed. The Director of Municipality Administration, TME, has also committed the faults. They have also committed the crime. They have also done the illegalities unconstitutional. The constitutional provision as a reservation is fulfilled. So it is the duty of the government officer, maybe a DME. So government is trying to hijack everything, and this is very bad. What has happened today is very bad for the state. The court had given sufficient time for correction, either to the State Election Commission or to the DMA or to the government. And what State Commission is replied, they said they have no powers. They said it's the government who has decided this. That means it's clearly stated that the government headed by Dr. Pramod Sawant with UD Minister Milind Naik, that means all these illegalities are committed with the blessings and guidance of Chief Minister and UD Minister. So this clearly proves it. So we have three demands. One, the Chief Minister and the UD Minister Milind Naik should immediately step down respecting the court verdict, because the stricture is strongly passed against the government, against the DME and against the State Election Commission. So the court has clearly proved them wrong, that they are working unconstitutionally. So Chief Minister should not continue in the chair after this verdict. The government should suspend the Director of Municipal Administration, and they should order inquiry. Who has forced them to do these illegalities? Why they have not followed the precedents? Why they have not followed the law while making the reservations? And why they have refused the earlier High Court order? They should have followed the earlier High Court order, which was very clear. It was a direction. So any High Court direction कित्याक follow केली ना? And third, the State Election Commission, who is the IAS officer, who is actually reporting to the minister and the chief minister, who is also heading as a secretary of other departments, and he is also the commissioner. How this can happen? How the independence of state election commission can be maintained? So today, immediately after this stricture, he should disassociate himself with the state election commission, because people have lost complete faith. All the candidates have lost the faith in him, and he cannot give justice. He cannot give the neutrality that is required. There is no, people are saying there is no fair play. They are manipulating everything. And for that purpose, to have the free and fair elections, this state election commissioner cannot continue. He is illegally sitting there. There is a constitutional provision to appoint the state election commission. State government should not use one government officer to manipulate the elections. Government should immediately appoint state election commission to conduct further elections. Okay. And we appeal the government. I got the information that government is going with the special petition with the to the Supreme Court. This is not already High Court hashing kela. High Court already pass kela sir. Tumi Supreme Court aveta ye illegality regularize karwa. You should not waste time and waste money. तुमची जे दादागिरी आसा ती हें करपाक सुप्रीम कोर्टान वचून तुमी आनी हासी करता लोकांक इट इज अ टाइम फॉर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा ऑल्सो टू मेक प्रॉपर जजमेंट ऑफ अबाउट दिस गवर्नमेंट. थँक यू. इफ यू हॅव एनी